Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, we will discuss about MCA admission process in India. So in this video, I am going to explain about the list of entrance exams for MCA admission, eligibility criteria, application process, direct admission process and centralized counseling process. So before going to the list of entrance exams, let's see some important points about MCA admission. So usually the state level admission process for MCA course begins in June or July. So in various states the admission process will begin either in June or July and the entrance exams for MCA admission in different states are usually conducted in May, June or July. So some states conduct an entrance exam for MCA admission and these entrance exams usually take place in May, June or July. The counseling process begins after the announcement of entrance test results. So if the admission is based on a state level entrance exam, then a centralized counseling process will be conducted after the entrance exam. Some states do not conduct an entrance exam for MCA admission and the admission will be based on the merit in qualifying exam. So some states do not conduct any entrance exams for MCA admission. There is no lateral entry in MCA. So this point is very important and the same has been scrapped by the AICTE. The duration of MCA course is only 2 years. So there is no lateral entry admission in MCA now. So you will have to join a 2-year MCA course now. So you cannot get direct admission in second year of MCA course now. So AICTE has scrapped that rule and lateral entry does not exist in MCA anymore. So list of popular entrance exams for MCA admission. So here is the list of popular exams. NIMCET, it's a national level exam for admission in NITs, and CG pre-MCA, Chhattisgarh pre-MCA entrance exam, AP ISET, TS ISET, Andhra and Telangana. UP SET. So UP SET is UPSCE. Earlier it's UPSCE. Now the name has been changed. It's UP SET, OJEE, Karnataka PG SET, TAN SET, MAH MCA SET Maharashtra and WB JACA, West Bengal JACA. So these are some of the popular entrance exams for MCA admission in India. So you can apply for MCA entrance exam as per your state's applicability. So some states even accept NIMCET score for state level MCA admission, but in some states you will have to appear for the state level entrance exam or participate in the state level admission process. Eligibility criteria for MCA admission. So candidates who have passed BE, BTech or BCA are eligible for MCA admission. Candidates who have passed BSc in computer science are also eligible for the admission. Candidates who have passed BSc with mathematics as one of the subjects can also take admission in MCA. Candidates who have passed BA, BSc or BCom or any other degree with mathematics as one of the subjects in class 12 are also eligible for MCA admission. So these are the eligibility rules for MCA admission. And MCA application form. The application form of MCA can be categorized into 4 categories. First one is application form for MCA entrance exam, application form for MCA admission through centralized counseling, application form for MCA admission in deemed universities, application form for direct MCA admission. So explaining the first one, application form for MCA entrance exam. So if you are aspiring for MCA admission through any entrance exam, firstly you need to register for that particular entrance exam, be it state level or national level. You will have to register for that particular entrance exam and you will have to pay the application fee. So first you need to clear the entrance exam, then you need to take part in admission process. So this is a 2-step process. So firstly you need to register for MCA entrance exam if you want to get admission. Application form for MCA admission through centralized counseling. So some states do not conduct an entrance exam for MCA admission and the admission is based on the centralized counseling. For example, states like Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab, they do not conduct any entrance exam for MCA admission. Candidates aspiring for admission need to directly participate in the counseling process conducted by the respective authority. For example, ACPC conducts MCA admission in Gujarat, RM CAP in Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan the admission process of MCA is called as RM CAP and NIMCET score is mandatory to participate in RM CAP. There is no state level entrance exam for MCA admission in Rajasthan or Gujarat and Punjab. So application form for MCA admission in deemed universities. So you can directly apply for MCA admission in deemed universities. Some private or deemed universities consider the merit of candidates in bachelor's degree for admission in MCA, while some deemed universities conduct their own entrance exam as well. Candidates with a national level like NIMSET score or any state level entrance test score can directly get admission in deemed private or universities. Application form for direct MCA admission. So if you want to get admission, direct admission in MCA colleges, you can directly visit the college or visit the official website of the college to submit the application form. So in most of the states, direct admission in MCA course comes under management quota. So under state quota or concession quota, the seats are filled through the centralized counseling or entrance exam. But some seats in these colleges are reserved under management quota, for which you can apply for direct admission. So the seats in MCA colleges are divided into state quota seats and management quota seats. So for state quota seats, you need to apply for the entrance exam, clear the entrance exam, or you need to participate in the centralized counseling process conducted by the respective state. So next, MCA admission process. The MCA admission process can be divided into three categories again. MCA admission process through national level entrance exam, MCA admission process through state level entrance exam or centralized counseling, and MCA direct admission process. Coming to the first one, MCA admission process through national level entrance exam. For national level entrance exam like NIMSET, the admission process for MCA course is based on the counseling process conducted by the authority. So after the announcement of NIMSET result, the candidates need to register for NIMSET counseling process. The various stages involved in NIMSET counseling are choice filling and seat allotment. So NIMSET counseling, which is conducted at central level, is only for NIT MCA admission. For example, in Rajasthan, if you want to take admission through NIMSET, you need to participate in RM CAP counseling process. So the counseling process usually involves choice filling and seat allotment. Choice filling in the sense you need to choose some colleges from the list available, participating list available, and then the seat allotment result will be processed on the basis of merit. MCA admission process through state level entrance exam or centralized counseling. So after clearing the state level entrance exam for MCA admission, the candidates need to participate in the counseling process conducted by the respective exam authority. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, AP ISET counseling is conducted by APSCHE, TS ISET counseling is conducted by TSCHE, and in West Bengal Joint Entrance Exam Board conducts the counseling for JECA. So these are you need to participate in the counseling process conducted by the respective state authority. It is mandatory to participate in state level MCA counseling for admission through state quota or concession quota. So I have already told it. So you need to mandatorily participate in state level counseling if you want to get admission under state quota or concession quota. MCA direct admission process. So candidates who wish to seek MCA admission directly without entrance exam can directly visit the college or visit the official website of college to fill the application form. The selection of these candidates is usually based on the merit. So if the competition is high for any college for direct admission or management quota admission, a merit list will be prepared and the seats will be allocated accordingly. So most of the admission process of private MCA colleges through direct admission can be considered as management quota, but in deemed universities there is nothing like state quota and management quota. So deemed universities conduct their own admission process and they define their own admission rules for MCA admission. So here are some of the popular private MCA colleges for direct admission. So these are just a list of popular colleges. So most of the private colleges accept direct admission through MCA. So Mahatma Jyotirao Phule University, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Apex University, NIMS University Jaipur, Rai University Ahmedabad. So these are some of the popular private MCA colleges for direct admission. So if you need more information about MCA admission, you can click on the link available under this video, and the link will have all the details about MCA admission process and the application procedure. Stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on MCA admission. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.